Adding a size chart to your products helps customers feel more confident about their purchases. But if you want to take it a step further and make it more on brand by adding your logo, the Kiwi Size Chart and Recommender app makes it easy. Let me show you exactly how to do it. To begin, open your Kiwi app from your Shopify admin. Then head over to Styles and Settings, where you'll find your size chart settings. By default, it opens the General Settings tab, so under that, click the Modal Settings. Now scroll down to the Modal Style section, expand Modal Style, and you'll see the option to add your shop logo. Click Upload an image. Then here, you can either upload a logo from your computer or add a direct image link. Once your logo is uploaded, make sure to enable Show Shop Logo so it appears on the size chart. If you want to see how it looks, you'll find a live preview of the size chart on the right side right here. You can also adjust the corner radius to match your brand style. If everything looks good, click Save to apply your changes. And here's how it appears in the actual product page. And that's it. Your size chart is now both helpful for customers and on brand. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.